Hello. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a two-player ball game in Scratch. If you ever wanted to make a two-player Pong game and you don't know where to start, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to give you step by step how to make your own two-player Pong game. It can be anything or it can be different. So go to Create button and press Create. Then go to File, then New. Now it's time to make our two-player Pong game. So delete the scratch cap. Now choose a sprite. I could choose a ball. And let's add another sprite. I could choose I could choose I could choose paddle. Wait. Now we need to change this one. Now we do this. Now we have our paddle. I'll put this over here and put this to 0. Now let's use when green flag clicked forever. And then let's use if then. I'm gonna use if up, then use change y by 3. And right click and duplicate. Put down. Put to -3. Now let's test it out. Wait, that one is too slow. Now I'm gonna make this 5. Put to -5. Put this over here. Wait. I'll put y to 0. And there's this. Now we got a working paddle. Now we need to make another paddle. So right click and duplicate. 182. Now use, instead of that, use W, and I'll put S. Now let's check it out. Now we got 2 of our players. So now all we need to do is make this ball bounce around. So use when green flag click forever. Use go to 0 to 0 and use point in direction 45. Point in direction 45. 45. 45. 35. Then I'm going to then sorry guys, I was just AFK for a while. Just go to motions and drag move about 15 steps and use if on edge bounce. Let's see. Wait, it's too fast. I'll put it to 10. Now we got a working bouncing ball. Now all should we do is use if then, put 2 if thens, and use point. I'm gonna use touching paddle and paddle 2, and use point in direction, this one, and then right click and duplicate, Hmm. Negative 45. Negative 45. Negative 135. And you put this. Now let's check. Now let's test it out. Now we got a working Pong game. Oh no. Okay. We need to make the ball wait for a second. Now I'm going to use 0.2 and let's use this so that it cannot be stuck on the paddle. Now we need a background photo. Now all we need to do, you can choose your own or you can upload your own. I would choose race. Okay, time to delete this. Time to delete that old backdrop. Now I could use, now I would choose a sprite. I could choose a line over there. Now I'm going to use this tool to rotate my line and I'll put this over here. Now just copy and paste. Then I'm going to use this. Now put it to 0 and 0. Use when green flag clicked. Go to X and Y's. And use if then. I'm going to use if then. I'm going to use touching line, then stop all. Now that's it. Now we need to name a project. Okay, now share the project and I'll see you later. And bye.